So Satyam, Ankit, I am audible, right? So guys, let's start with our session number one on greedy technique. What is the topic name, Satyam? Can you repeat? Greedy technique. Okay, greedy technique. Greedy is not an algorithm; it is just a technique. Is this thing clear? So Satyam, what comes to your mind when you hear the word greedy? Yeah, and Ankit, Aniket, any inputs here? What comes to your mind when you hear greedy? Okay, okay, okay. And Ankit, Aniket, like one person is left to say, right? What do you think when greedy comes to your mind? Okay, let it be. So, see, in greedy technique, now, Satyam, you keep replying to me to whatever I say. Okay. So, Satyam, what generally happens is that in greedy technique, say we have to solve a problem. Okay, problem P we have to solve. Clear? So while solving this problem, let's say we have to take n steps to solve this problem. How many steps we are having to take to solve this problem, Satyam, Ankit, and Aniket? What am I assuming here? That we need how many steps to solve it? Yeah, very good. Keep replying like that. So, people are still trying to join. So, guys, I will not take any more people now. Okay, just write that in the chat. So, say we require n steps to solve this problem, and say the n steps look like this. This is the problem P. To solve this, first you have to do P1 step, then you have to do P2 step, then you have to do P3 step, till P4, P5, till Pn. Yeah, guys, I want each and everyone on mute except those three people. Okay, I don't want any background voice, or else I will remove from the meeting. So P1 step, P2 step, P3 step, P4 step, P5 step, Pn step. We do all these steps. We get the solution which is called as S, or you say K, whatever. Okay. Greedy means nothing but whenever you are at a particular step, you just have to think what the best you can do on that step. That is the meaning of greedy. What is the meaning of greedy? Do the best you can at each step. Clear, Satyam, Ankit, and Aniket? Do the best you can at each step. At each step in your observable universe. At each step in your observable universe. Guys, this last point is very important. Okay? I told that you have to do the best which is possible at each step, right? Say you are at P5, Ankit. Ankit or Aniket, say you are at P5 step, okay? Now you have to do the best what you can do, but it is not guaranteed that if you are doing the best, it will really be the best. That's why I'm saying just do the best you can at each step in your observable universe. For example, okay, let's take some example. Say you are a guy and you are trying to buy some stock, okay, Satyam? So according to you, out of S1, S2, and S3, S2 stock is best, okay? So at 20 years of age, you buy this S2 stock. Now, this was according to your observable universe. You don't really know the future, right? Say it happens that in future, this goes to loss. Okay, company only shuts down. And the S3 stocks is doing lots of profit and benefit. Got it? This means the actual best was which one? What we say. But you selected which one? So selecting this S2 is called as greedy technique. Greedy technique means just taking the current situation into the equation and checking which is best and doing that. Not thinking of the long term goal. In coding, people in style call it as global best solution. When you select S3, it is called as global best solution. And when you select S2, it is called as local best solution. And local best solution is nothing but what? Greedy technique. What is it, Satyam and Ankit and Aniket? So the local best is see, there is no rocket science in finding the local best solution. Any guy who goes to the market, say I tell you Satyam, Ankit, and Aniket, I give you the TCS stock value and the previous graph, and I give you the Zomato stock value and the previous graph. Okay, now each one of you tell me, guys, everyone write in the chat. You guys will take TCS stock or Zomato stock for the current by looking at the current situation. Satyam, you will take TCS, and Ankit, Aniket, you will also take TCS because TCS looking good right now, right? It's always increasing, it's never decreasing, right? So you only had this much data, you took the decision. This is what we call as greedy. Got it? Now you know the rival of greedy is DP, but we'll not discuss that in detail right now. So, greedy means you are observing the universe and whatever you think is the best, you are doing that. You are not thinking much of the long term or anything else, okay? Because obviously everything is not in our control. So, that's what we call greedy. So, guys, if the meaning of greedy is clear, please write yes in the chat. Greedy means nothing but we have n steps to solve the problem. At each step, we are trying to do the best we can, but it is not guaranteed that it will be best for the future. We are just trying to do the best depending on observing the current situation and current environmental conditions. Clear, guys? Please start writing yes in the chat if the meaning is clear about what is greedy. I'm just checking the chat. Okay, everyone is writing yes. So Satyam, is it clear what whatever I was trying to say? Okay, okay, okay. So guys, greedy means trying to do the as best as possible, okay, and never looking back. So let's take a important problem. So guys, I want the Java guys to write the Java code, the C++ guys to be ready with the C++ code, and the Python guys to be ready with the Py code, okay, after the session. This session is getting recorded, but I want you to guys to focus properly on this and write each and every code because I will ask for it in our DS group. So say we are given some quantities, Satyam, Ankit and Aniket. We are given some quantities, okay? Let's say we are given 10 quantities, Satyam, Ankit and Aniket. Is this much clear? Then I will move ahead. And guys, they are saying you that you have a bag. You have a bag. You have a bag and its capacity is, what is the capacity? People are still trying to join. Satyam, am I audible to you? Ankit and Aniket, am I audible to you? Yeah, it might happen that Google kicks me out of the meeting, so in that scenario do let me know. So we have a bag of capacity C. So the question is how many maximum items you can keep in this bag. Okay, that was the question. We will discuss the solution later on, but Satyam, can you tell me and explain the question to everyone one time? Item, and these are the size of the items. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, maximum. Maximum items you have to put it in the bag. So guys, is the question clear? Please write yes in the chat. I'm just opening a Google document and writing the same thing in our, what we say, let's say Goldman OA. Guys, please write yes in the chat if the question is clear. Okay, so basically the Mhm. Yeah, so basically the question says that you are given an array, you are given an array with weights of different item. You are given you are also given a bag. You are also given a bag of capacity C. Try to fill that bag with maximum number of items and print the maximum number of items. For example, say the array is 2, 3, 5, 8, 8, 8, 8, and then 100. Okay, this is our array, and the capacity is say 11. Okay, so wait, guys, Ankit, Satyam, and Aniket, you three will not reply. I want each one of memo, like I want every one of you to write in the chat how many items can you put in a bag of size 11 if this is the array. Please write it in the chat. Then I will ask to Satyam, Ankit, and Aniket. People are still trying to join. Very good. So guys, things are very simple. We are given this array. We are given this array, and these are the weight of the items of the array. One item is of weight 2, then 3, then 5, then 3 5 element 5 items are of weight 8, then one item is of weight 100, and the bag capacity given to us is 11. तो basically ये पूछा जा रहा है कि 11 वाले कैपेसिटी के बैग में कितने आइटम डाले जा सकते हैं. How many items you can put in the bag of capacity 11? Please start writing it down in chat. And now let me check the chat what people are saying. Only Nishkarsh has replied. Okay, people are also replying. So, Aniket, are you with me? Aniket. So, Aniket, tell me which items will I put in this bag of capacity 11? Tell the names. 2, 3, and 5. So how many items? What is the final answer? How many items we took? Three items, right? Three items, right? Yeah. So guys, now I want to talk about common sense. Greedy is nothing but most of the time it is what, Aniket? Common sense. Okay. So if you have the bag and if you want maximum number of items, what will you do? Can you tell me the strategy? What one should do? Satyam, can you tell me what should we do if you want to put maximum items in the bag? Satyam. Okay, Satyam is not with me. Okay, okay, okay. No worries. I was disconnected for some time. I'm sharing my screen again. Satyam, do let me know if everything is visible. Okay. Satyam, are things visible? Yeah. So Satyam, tell me if we want maximum items in the bag, what strategy should I follow? What should I do? No, 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 no. Okay, let me ask to Aniket. Aniket, if in general I want maximum number of items in a bag of size C, what should I do? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. So, guys, is it not common sense that we should always pick the smallest element? See, sorting is not important. Understanding why taking the smallest element helps is important. So, Aniket, say you have 8 written here, 10 written here, 2 written here, 1 written here, and say 10 and one more 10. This is clear, Aniket. This is our array, okay? Now, the other person is saying that you have a bag of 4 size. What size you have? 4 size. Now they are saying try to put maximum elements in this bag. So common sense says, is it good to put an element of large size? It will not even come in the bag, right? So obviously we'll pick up the smallest element. Yes or no, Aniket? So you put the smallest element. When you put the smallest element in the bag, you have highest amount of space left, right? You have 3 left, right, to put. Now what you can do? You can pick up the second smallest element and you can put that in the bag. Is it clear, Ankit and Satyam? So guys, what I wanted to tell you that the best way to fill the bag, the optimum way to fill the bag is to fill the smallest items first. This is our greedy strategy for this problem. To fill the smallest items first. Is this thing clear, guys? Yes or no? So let me write and please make the notes and keep it ready because you'll have to upload. The greedy strategy in this problem is uh, to fill the bag with items of smallest weights till we reach the capacity. This ensures that we have maximum number of items. This is very trivial, right, Satyam and Aniket? Guys, I want you to help me out with the code. I think this problem is based on same thing. You are given a container full of water. Acha, let me C++ 17. Okay, it is not visible properly. You are given a container full of water. Container have limited amounts of water. You also have n bottles to fill. You need to fill the maximum number of bottles you can fill. Okay, so this sounds interesting. Let's see what the question is trying to say. Okay, there is no explanation as well. Okay, this is nothing but the same question, right, guys, in a different language? Yes or no? बेसिकली बोल रहा है कि वो 10 आप घुसाओ कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा बॉटल फिलअप हो जाए तो छोटों में ही डालेंगे यस और नो so this is the same question you have n items your capacity of bag is what 10 so guys in 10 which elements will you put tell me anyone from the meet wants to tell me which elements you will put in the capacity of size 10 satyam aniket so three element hoga that's why the answer is what 2 3 4 so yeah so guys can you help me with writing the code aniket and satyam okay I'm writing it from the start. It's been some time. I have not written any C++ code. So if I write anything wrong, do let me know. Okay. The code doesn't matter here because the logic stays same, be it Java, C++, or Python. Okay. And anyways, the Java, C++, and Python code will be uploaded in the document. Right, Satyam? So Satyam, now tell me what should be the code here? I should be taking the input, right? Integer input of the size of array. Okay. Google Meet again. This problem never ends. This problem never ends. Okay. I am sharing screen again. Do let me know if everything is visible. Okay, Satyam. So we are quickly writing the solution to this problem, so we can move to the further problem. So I am taking the input. Is this clear, Satyam? Now I am just taking input of array. I less than equal to n. Uh, okay. Let's declare y. I am reading y. Then I am putting y to my array. Okay. Okay. I didn't even declare an array. I'm such a great person. Vector LLB. So b dot कैसे लिखते थे सी प्लस प्लस में सत्यम? बी डॉट क्या पुश? हाँ तो ये तुम लोग को बोलना है भाई. Vector LLB. This is clear. So Aniket, after this, what I have to do? Tell me. Yeah, so sorting, right? First, I will sort. When I sort the array, I have all the elements in increasing order. Then I can pick smallest one by one. So, guys, what I'm trying to do now? Say I have this capacity 10. And what was the array? The array was 85432. 85432. So, first step is to sort this array. It is what 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Right, Aniket and Satyam? Then I will take the sum of the array from here till the day it is less than 10. Okay. If 2 is less than 10, I pick it up. 2 plus 3 is less than 10, I pick it up. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is less than 10. Yes. So I pick it up. 3 plus 4 क्या होता है? 7, 8, 9. Is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 less than 10? Less than equal to 10? No. So I stop here. Got the algorithm, guys? Guys, please write yes in the chat if the algorithm is clear. Then I'm starting to write the code. सो अनिकेत बताओ यार सॉर्ट का फंक्शन कैसे लिखते थे सी प्लस प्लस में? या अच्छा सॉरी 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 नहीं नहीं अच्छा हाँ सॉरी सॉरी मैं भी ना कैसी हरकतें कर रहा हूँ कोई बात नहीं. बी डॉट बिगिन कॉमा बी डॉट एंड राइट. या एंड द 10 लेस देन इक्वल टू का लगा सकते हैं ना क्योंकि इक्वल भी चलेगा राइट. या सो गाइस अभी बताओ अभी मेन इसके अंदर व्हाट शुड आई डू इनसाइड दिस. ओके लेट्स टॉक इन इंग्लिश सो दैट अदर पीपल डोंट फेस इशू व्हेन दे वॉच द रिकॉर्डिंग. आई मीन द फ्यूचर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके so less than equal to n. Guys, I am taking a variable to maintain the sum. Okay. Yeah, so what I should do, I just should add the number, right? Sum equal to sum plus p of I. Yes or no, guys? So if sum is less than the capacity, okay, I did not take the input of capacity, right? I think I'm again kicked out. Okay, guys, no one is replying to me. Guys, are you there with me? Yeah. Yeah, please keep replying, or else I think that the meet is not working. So everything clear till here, Satyam? So I am adding the element to the sum. B of I am adding to sum, right, Aniket? So Aniket, if sum is less than equal to C, what should I do? I should just increment, right? I mean, increment what? The number of the answer, right? And if that is not happening, then what to do? Tell me. Answer plus plus. And if that is not happening, what should we do, guys? If the sum is crossed, we should break out of the loop, right? Let me I like doing it this way. Okay, you will think why sir is doing like this. That's what I like. Okay, just give any big value to I, so we will go out of the loop, right? Yeah. So guys, I hope this algorithm should work, right? I'm just printing the answer. This problem is fairly easy. Get ready for the next very hard problem. Okay, and this is really hard. Even if you're 2000 rated on lead code, you will face issue while solving that next problem. So Let's try this one first, guys. If it does not work out, it means you guys did not tell me the right code. Okay. See, output is 1 expected. Guys, why is our output coming as 1? Let me check. अच्छा 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 अच्छा, sorry 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 sorry. तो भी चल our output is now coming as 0. Let me think. Let me see what happened. Okay, first we have to. Okay, there are test cases. Sorry, guys. There are multiple test cases, right, Aniket? So we never did this test cases thing, na? We had to run a while loop for test cases also. Got it, Satyam? What mistake you are doing? Yeah. So actually the thing is, I don't do it like other mentors. I never check the problem which I'm going to solve in the session, or else I would be completely ready. Okay. So when I don't do that, it gives a real feeling, right? That's why I do it in this. So guys, this sample case is running correct, right? Aniket, Ankit, and Satyam. So let's see what happens while submitting the code. I have not submitted it before. Okay, obviously not submitted before. The last time I submitted this problem was 3 to 4 years ago. So guys, things are working well, right? So guys, please someone take this code. Guys, do you want me to write this, add this code in the chat, or you guys will write the code on your own self and upload in the document? Satyam, इतना कर लोगे ना तुम लोग? Simple था. Okay. So guys, I'm just giving the problem link, okay, in the chat and save it with you. This is the problem link, guys, and I'm giving the second problem link as well. So Aniket and what we say, Satyam, is the first problem clear? Okay. Now, guys, let's go to the harder problem. Aniket, ready for the hard stuff? So here we come. You are given a binary array A of n integers. You are also given an integer k. You need to ensure that no subarray of size greater than or equal to k has average 1. For this, you can perform the below operation. Choose any index and flip the bit. Find the minimum number of operations to achieve the above condition. Clear, Aniket? Obviously, this is a problem. When you read, you don't get a solution in 1 second in your brain, right? So that's why I picked this problem. This is Kumar K session. In beginner stage only we'll start discussing hard stuff. So we can discuss even harder stuff in later session. Clear, Satyam and Aniket? So let's start thinking. Guys, Aniket, can you tell me what is the meaning of binary array? What they are trying to say? What is the binary array? What will be the elements inside this? Okay, so they will only be 0 or 1. Clear, guys? Clear, Satyam? Array ऐसा दिखेगा 1 या 0 ही होगा. Clear, Satyam, Aniket? Now they are saying that no sub array of size k or larger should have average equal to 1. They are saying this thing, yes or no, Satyam and Aniket? So let's say k 5 था. समझो k क्या था? Let's say k was 5. What was k, Satyam and Aniket? And say this array was given to me: 2 3 4 5 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. So guys, can you tell me which is the first subarray of size 5? This is the first subarray of size 5. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no, Satyam and Aniket? What will be the average of this subarray? Sum of all the numbers? 5. Total number of numbers, how many numbers are there? Aniket, how many numbers are there in this subarray? Sat- please reply. 5. So the average is 1. हाँ, एवरेज हमेशा 1 या 1 से कम ही होगा. समझ गए मेरी बात, मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ? अगर एक सब एरे के सारे एलिमेंट्स वन है तो उसका एवरेज वन आता है, ये बात पता है कि नहीं पता, बता देता हूँ। चलो ओके, आई विल हैव टू टीच यू गाइस हाउ टू कैलकुलेट एवरेज ऑफ एन एरे। सो गाइस, 2 3 4 5, guys please everyone write in the chat how to calculate the average of this array, not how to calculate, tell me the average of the array। सत्यम तुम एवरेज का फॉर्मूला बोलो, क्या होगा इस सब एरे, इस एरे का पूरा क्या लिखो ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में। एवरेज निकालना आती है कि नहीं आती तुम लोग को, अनिकेत यू? आई नेवर नो हाउ बिगनर माई स्टूडेंट इज, राइट। एंड नीचे क्या लिखते भाई बोलो गाइस। जो इस चीज का आंसर चैट में पहले किया होगा उसको कल मेरे साथ 1 घंटे का मीटिंग मिलेगा। लेट मी चेक इन द चैट, और गलत दिया तो नहीं मिलेगा। अभी तक कोई भी नहीं किया, सब 14/4 बोल के चोमू बना रहे हैं। रियल आंसर दो। या थैंक यू शकीब फॉर राइटिंग एलिमेंट सम बाय नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स। आई डिड नॉट रियलाइज दैट इंजीनियरिंग ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ माइंड डोंट नो दिस फॉर्मूला। ओके, नाउ ओनली आई रियलाइज। ओके, सो सत्यम एंड अनिकेत अभी तो क्लियर है ना, फिर से मजाक नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है। So if the array, Aniket, let me talk with you only for some time. Aniket, are you with me? So can you tell me one thing? If the array has only 1 and 0, you take any sub array, its average will always be less than equal to 1. Do you agree or not? Average will always, why it will be less than equal to 1? क्योंकि टोटल साइज हमेशा क्या होगा, 1 2 3 4 5, टोटल साइज समझो n है, टोटल साइज क्या है। अब हर बंदा 1 या 0 है तो सम तो लेस देन इक्वल टू एन ही होगा, राइट। So if you divide a number less than equal to n by n, it will be less than equal to 1, yes or no? So guys, for the second problem, I am writing my first greedy observation. Which is that observation for the second problem? Average of any subarray will be what? Is this much clear, Satyam? So average of any subarray will be less than equal to 1. Now question is saying what? That they don't want any subarray of size k or greater to have average equal to 1. Basically they are saying, see, and the second observation is, can you guys tell me when is the average one of a subarray, when all the elements are 1? Yes or no, Satyam and Aniket? Average of a subarray is 1 only when average of a, can you tell me what to write further, Aniket? Average of a subarray is 1 only when all the elements of subarray is 1. Okay guys, so average of any subarray will be less than equal to 1, and average of a subarray is 1 only and only when all the elements of the subarray is 1. So they are basically saying they are not saying anything complicated. They are saying that they don't want any subarray such that they don't want any subarray of size k or larger than k such that all the elements are 1. Yes or no, Satyam and Aniket? Did we not reframe the problem nicely? They are saying that we want no subarray of size k or larger than k to have all elements 1। समझ गए वो बेसिकली क्या चाहता है? वो नहीं चाहता कि कोई भी के साइज का या के से ज्यादा साइज का सब एरे हो जिसके अंदर सारे के सारे बंदे 1 हो। क्लियर? तो सत्यम ये बात क्लियर? सो now what can we do to avoid this? They are saying you can choose and flip the bit, means 1 को तुम 0 में चेंज कर सकते हो और 0 को 1 में चेंज कर सकते हो। yes or no? So guys, let's say this was let's say k equal to 5, let's say k equal to 5। are you with me, Ankit, Aniket? Okay, okay, are you with me, Satyam? So let's consider all subarrays of size 5। so which is the first subarray of size 5? This one, yes or no? So guys, tell me the greedy strategy. As soon as you see this, you come to know, is this allowed? Yes or no? Is this allowed? No. You cannot have all the elements having one of size 5. Yes or no? तो सत्यम ये अलाउड नहीं है, तो इसमें तुमको कोई एक बिट को फ्लिप करना पड़ेगा, मानते हो कि नहीं मानते हो? अब एक कॉमन सेंस की बात बताऊं, सी, अगर अगर ये चीज से यू हैव दिस स्टफ, दिस इज नॉट अलाउड, यस और नो अनिकेत एंड सत्यम? टू दिस व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू कैन मेक एनी वन एलिमेंट जीरो, तुम इसको जीरो कर सकते हो, या फिर इसको कर सकते हो, या फिर इसको कर सकते हो, या फिर इसको, या फिर इसको, यस और नो गाइस? नाउ गाइस थिंक ऑफ द ग्रीडी स्ट्रेटेजी, which one you should make equal to zero, think, just think. जीरो किसको भी कर सकते, बट किसको करना बेस्ट रहेगा? विच वन शुड यू मेक जीरो? एनी आइडियाज अनिकेत? ओके, आई एम अगेन शेयरिंग द स्क्रीन, जस्ट अ सेकेंड. Aniket and Satyam, is it clear that you have to make one element from this zero? That is only our question. Yes or no? Satyam or Aniket? Aniket, tell me which one you should will make zero. This one or this one or this one? Which is the best greedy strategy? So why the last one? Let's ponder about it, right? So basically, we are considering all subarrays of size k, right? Yes or no? So Satyam, the first we consider this subarray. Yes or no, Satyam? So if I make this zero, it looks like this, right? Then in future I will consider this subarray, na? Yes or no? Satyam. तो मैंने ये वाले बंदे को इसलिए चेंज किया था क्योंकि ये ज्यादा देर तक इफेक्ट दे पाएगा. जीरो तो हमको करना ही है, तो इसको जीरो करूंगा तो ये वाले सब एरे में भी एक नंबर कम हो जाएगा, इसमें भी, इसमें भी, इसमें भी. और इसी की जगह इसको करता तो आगे फर्क नहीं दिखता. समझ रहे हो मेरी बात को? समझ गए क्या था? ये बोलना इजी होता है, लोगों को समझने में सालों लग जाता है. ठीक है, तो फिर से बता देता हूँ. This was the sub array given to us, and we did not want any sub array of size 5 to have all ones in it. Is it clear, Satyam? So this is the first sub array you encounter. Now you have a choice. You can either convert this to zero, this to zero, this to zero, this to zero, this to zero. But which one will you convert, Satyam, to zero? Why you are converting to last one? Because this effect will stay longer. Effect will stay longer. Because फ्यूचर में ये कंसीडर करोगे तभी भी जीरो रहेगा, ये करोगे तभी भी ये रहेगा, ये करोगे तभी भी ये रहेगा. और अगर इसको जीरो कर लिया होता तो फिर तो इसको देखते. अगर से वी हैड दिस and I took this and I said, okay, this is not good, I am making this zero. Okay, okay, Satyam. So this is, so what would happen? What would happen then if I consider this sub array? और समझो ये भी वन था, ठीक है, समझो ये भी वन था, ठीक है, तो ये भी वैलिड नहीं होगा. यस और नो? तो इधर फिर से चेंज करते, कितने ऑपरेशन लग जाते? दो. कितने लग जाते? पर अगर तुम उस स्ट्रेटेजी से करोगे तो एक ही ऑपरेशन लगेगा, और वो लोग मिनिमम ऑपरेशंस पूछ रहे हैं. समझाता हूँ. Guys, now Aniket, Satyam, I want both of you with me. This is an array of size 6, k is 5. We don't want any sub array of size 5 to have all ones in it. So there is one option. Which is that one option? You see this and then you convert this to zero. Yes or no, Aniket and Satyam? So if you convert this to zero, then the first sub array of size 5 is valid. Yes or no? As it doesn't have all ones in it. Aniket, are you with me? But you know why doing zero helps? Because now if you consider this is also valid. Yes or no? So सत्यम, कितनी बार चेंज करना पड़ा ये पूरे प्रोसीजर में अगर हमने ऐसे टाइप से किया तो? वन टाइम. वन टाइम. अब इसी की जगह अगर हम गलत स्ट्रेटेजी को यूज करते तो क्या होता? गलत स्ट्रेटेजी ये थी कि हमको पहला दिखा, हमको ये पसंद नहीं आया, वी डिड नॉट लाइक इट, राइट सत्यम एंड अनिकेत? एंड वी रैंडमली पिक दिस वन एंड वी मेड दिस जीरो, राइट सत्यम? So this take one step, right? Now you consider next sub array. What is the size of this sub array? 5. All are 1. This is not good. You will again have to change any one number, right? You again change this to 0. It take one more step. Total steps कितने लग गए करने में? तो ये वाला बेटर था कि वो वाला बेटर था? कम वाला चाहिए था हमको. अच्छा, अरे यार, एक सेकंड ना, मेरा माउस में. हाँ. So guys, you understood, whenever you see a continuous bunch of ones, what you should do is you should change the last one to zero. When you change the last one to zero, na, the effect propagates further future as long as possible rather than making the first one zero. This is the greedy strategy. What is the greedy strategy in this problem, guys? Can anyone tell me? Whenever you encounter, can you tell me, Aniket or Satyam, whenever you encounter bunch of K1s, we should always, tell me, we should always change we should always change the last one. Let's not write bit because people are not that mature, right here. That's why. We should always change the last one to zero. That's the best optimal greedy. We have to write greedy ना, सेशन का नाम ही वही है. Strategy. अच्छा हाँ, वो इस टेक्निक. नेवर से ग्रीडी एल्गोरिदम बिकॉज इट इज नॉट एन एल्गोरिदम. एल्गोरिदम होता तो सेम चीज हर जगह अप्लाई हो रही होती. ग्रीडी तो हर जगह अलग अलग टेक्निक होता है, ठीक है. सो गाइस ये बात भी क्लियर हो गई, हाँ या ना बोलो मुझे. ओके सो भाई कोड भी तो लिखना पड़ेगा ना, ऐसे तो जिंदगी आराम से चलने नहीं वाला, राइट. सो गाइस नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द कोड. सत्यम अनिकेत आई वांट बोथ ऑफ यू का हेल्प, ठीक है. लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो गाइस this problem I think I have solved 4 to 5 years ago. So again I am writing the code, but obviously I don't remember everything. And as always I did not see the solution to this problem. I started discussing in front of you only. Okay, that's what I like. Pure raw stuff. So yeah, as I hope you understand what is long int. I'm just declaring normal integer of long size because I have this habit from CP. Okay, nothing else to worry about. So tell me Aniket, first what should I do? Take the input, right? How to take the input? We have multiple test cases, right? So I'm writing those test cases. Guys, Java, Python, C++, guys, be ready, okay? Be ready with the code and everything, okay? Because I know you guys, I want the code in the doc, so don't forget that. I think today I'm taking session, that's why so many people attended, right, Satyam? So, yeah, because other times I don't see so many people. So tell me, am I taking the input correctly, Aniket and Satyam? N and K, right? See, it's written here. 55111. So here it will take one operation. That's why output is one. And in this also will require one option ना. देखो last वाले के लिए एक करना पड़ेगा, right? ठीक है. So guys, now I am writing just simple stuff. I am just making an array of b of size n plus 1 and everything is inside it is 0. Now I should read the array, right, Aniket? Now, why I am saying each and everything while writing the code? Because you guys watched my coding interview video. You know I taught there always speak while writing the code in front of the interviewer. It gives a good impression, right, Aniket? Right, Satyam? Yeah, that's why I am doing this. नहीं तो मुझे कोई शौक नहीं आया है. तो उसके बाद guys, now I am thinking, yeah, let's take a number which will maintain the sum. So guys, whoever has done sliding window, they know how to maintain the sum of a k size window. Yes or no, Satyam and Aniket? So let's say the sum is maintained by the sum variable. Okay, okay, Satyam and Aniket. So I am just iterating from 1 till k minus 1. 1 से लेके कहाँ तक जा रहा हूँ, और जितने भी वंस थे उन सबका सम ऐड कर रहा हूँ. What will be the sum? Okay, what should I write here? Can anyone tell me from the chat? बोलो ब्रैकेट के अंदर क्या लिखना चाहिए. हाँ, इतना तो कॉमन सेंस होना ही चाहिए, कुमार के स्टूडेंट हो. सो व्हाट विल बी राइट सत्यम इनसाइड बी ऑफ. सो गाइस you know that now that I did this much part till here, okay. So अरे यार ये भी ना बीच में आता रहता है. So guys, say if my array was like this, size 6, k is 5, and this was the array, okay. Are you guys with me? Okay. सो आई मूव फ्रॉम 1 टू k माइनस 1, मतलब 1 2 3 4 यहां तक मैं आया और मैंने इन सब का सम कैलकुलेट कर लिया. क्या सम आया होगा? या So what would be the sum, Satyam and Aniket? 4. So in my sum there might be 4. So I'm just writing here ताकि हमको पता रहे कोड में हो क्या रहा है. सम 4 हो गया होगा. So now I'm starting a loop from k. k minus 1 तक तो हो गया ना. अब हम चलेंगे लास्ट तक. ठीक है. अब बेसिकली जब मैं k में आया हूँ तो k वाला बंदा भी ऐड कर ही लेना चाहिए. कॉमन सेंस की बात है, राइट? तो सम प्लस इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा? b ऑफ i. Now comes the important thing. Aniket, now we should check, right? If all are one or not. How can you check? If the sum is less than k, मतलब सब सही चल रहा है. Yes or no? If sum less than k, मतलब सारे के सारे वन नहीं थे, कोई ना कोई जीरो आया होगा, तभी तो sum less than k हो रहा है ना. मानते हो कि नहीं मानते हो इस बात को? If sum is less than k, it means it is guaranteed that the previous k positions, in the previous k positions, at least one position was zero. If even one position is zero, then we are safe. We don't want all positions one. So if sum is less than k, then we are safe. Then we are what, Aniket and Satyam? Safe. Guys, but अगर safe नहीं है तो क्या करना है? मैं तुम लोग को बताया था क्या करना है. Guys, if you reach here, say you are not safe, right? तुम लोग यहाँ पर आ गए, पांचवें इंडेक्स पर आ गए. गाइस कोई बताएगा पांचवें इंडेक्स पे तुम सेफ हो गया? कोई देख के बोलेगा हाँ या ना? अनिकेत, सत्यम, सेफ हो गया? अच्छा, माय स्क्रीन इज नॉट विजिबल क्या? अच्छा, सत्यम को विजिबल है. ओके. सो अनिकेत एंड सत्यम, एम आई सेफ हियर? यस और नो? नो. नो. सो व्हाट शुड आई डू टू बिकम सेफ? जल्दी बोलो, क्या करना चाहिए? इसको जीरो कर देना चाहिए लास्ट वाले को, हाँ या ना गाइस? ये बी ऑफ आई इक्वल टू जीरो कौन बोला था चैट मीटिंग से? स्मार्ट आदमी है. गुड. सो या प्रमित, वेरी गुड. सो अभी क्या करना चाहिए प्रमित? बोलो अभी इधर एल्स में क्या लिखूं, बोलो. बी ऑफ आई इक्वल टू जीरो. बट इतने करने से जिंदगी नहीं सेट हो जाएगी. वो जो सम है उसमें भी तो माइनस वन वन करना पड़ेगा ना. एक कम हो गया ना भाई का. वो तो तुम लोग ने देखा नहीं, ऐसा थोड़ी चलेगा. ये समझ रहे हो मैंने माइनस वन क्यों किया? सत्यम, अंकित एंड प्रमित, वो कम हो गया रे. वन से पहले भी पहले वन था, अभी जीरो हो गया. तो सम को अपडेट हम कौन करेगा? हमको ही करना पड़ेगा. हमारी जिंदगी है. सो सम इक्वल टू सम माइनस वन. Guys, one thing you forgot. Who will keep the track of count of how many times you changed? उसके लिए काउंट वेरिएबल बनाना पड़ेगा ना प्रमित. तो where should I increase count? Can anyone tell me in this meeting? कहां पर काउंट प्लस प्लस डालो? लाइन नंबर बोलो, मेरे को नहीं आता कोडिंग, बताओ. ओके, 41 में भी डाल सकते थे. So, what should we put here? Count plus plus. Okay, so count plus plus is here. Okay, very good. Now guys, you know, I plus plus I will write here, right? Yes or no guys? भाई चल रहा है ना. बट एक गलती क्या है इस कोड में? जैसे ही बाहर निकल रहे हो तो प्रीवियस का सब्ट्रैक्ट भी तो करना पड़ेगा. जिंदगी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है जितना तुम लोग सोच रहे हो. रुको दिखाता हूँ. अरे यार, चैट ही खत्म, जगह ही खत्म हो गया. ठीक है. सो गाइस, से से के इक्वल टू 5 था. क्या था प्रमित? के की वैल्यू क्या थी? तो इसके लिए आंसर क्या आता हमारा सम का? पहले 5 के लिए सम की वैल्यू यहाँ पर क्या होती? ठीक है. जैसे ही तुम एक वेरिएबल आगे जाते हो तो तुम ये जीरो ऐड करते हो, राइट, सम में. तो सम की वैल्यू अभी भी 4 है, बट वो सही नहीं है. सम की वैल्यू अभी 4 है, बट वो सही नहीं है. ये सब्ट्रैक्ट भी करना पड़ेगा जैसे आगे जा रहे हो. जैसे ही आगे जा रहा है विंडो, तुम्हारा पीछे का नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. यस और नो? यस और नो अंकित, सत्यम एंड प्रमित एंड अनिकेत एंड ध्रुव? ओके. सो क्या कहते हैं, तो सब्ट्रैक्ट कैसे करेंगे? अभी एकदम ही स्मार्ट आदमी मुझे बता सकेगा. अब बताओ, लूप खत्म होने के पहले क्या लिखूं? सम इक्वल टू सम माइनस क्या? कौन अपना दिमाग लगा के बता सकता है? कौन सा नंबर माइनस करना है? वो जो के विंडो के जस्ट पहले नंबर था, वो कौन सा नंबर था वो? आई माइनस के. दिखती बात है ना, के वाले की बात कर रहे भाई. देखो देखो देखो. अब अगर तुम इधर आ गए हो तो के, अगर ये इंडेक्स क्या था? रुको लिखने दो. मेरी मीटिंग चल भी रही है कि निकाल दिया मुझे. ओके. सो गाइस, सॉरी, गूगल मीट किक मी आउट. Sorry guys, Google Meet kicked me out as always. So let's start again. मीन्स पूरा स्टार्ट नहीं करना है. ठीक है. सो गाइस, प्रमित, आर यू विद मी? So this index was what? Jalo bolo. 1. What was this, Pramit? 2, 3, 4, and then where did you reach? 5. Yes or no? अब तुम फ्यूचर में कहाँ पहुंच जाओगे? Pramit, guys, is anyone replying to me? या फ्यूचर में कहाँ पहुंच जाओगे? तो सब्ट्रैक्ट कौन से वाले इंडेक्स को करना पड़ेगा? बी ऑफ जीरो को करना पड़ेगा, यस और नो? हमारे हमने वन बेस्ड इंडेक्सिंग रखी, मतलब बी ऑफ वन को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा, मानते हो कि नहीं मानते हो? तो सम इक्वल टू सम ऑफ आई, अभी समझो चल रहा है 5, तो 5 - 5 जीरो हो जाता है, तो +1 भी डालना पड़ेगा, वन बेस्ड इंडेक्सिंग कर रहे हैं ना। हाँ, तो गाइस ये अभी चल जाना चाहिए, नहीं चला तो छोड़ देंगे कोडिंग। मतलब चेक करेंगे, ट्राई करेंगे सही करने का। सो ओके, नहीं तो हमको महंगा पैकेज कौन देगा? सी आउट काउंट, गाइस व्हाट शुड आई प्रिंट हियर, टेल मी गाइस, एनीवन फ्रॉम द चैट? हाँ, हाँ, उसके बाद स्लैश एंडल कौन डालेगा? ऐसा डालना होता है, समझे? हाँ, सो गाइस एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग नाइस आई थिंक। ओके, तो थोड़ा सा कंपाइलिंग करते देखते, कुछ चल जाए तो अच्छा है, बट आई डोंट नो, कुछ ना कुछ एरर होगा। सो गाइस दिस इज वर्किंग नाइसली, सबमिट भी कर देते हैं। मोस्टली सबमिट में कुछ गलत होता ही है, देखते हैं क्या गलत है। ओके गाइस, वी गॉट फुल मार्क्स, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। So we after many days I got this right in first go. So guys, I'm sending this. Okay, मैं code इधर ही डाल रहा हूँ. Okay. So guys, now let's do some promotion. What should we do now, Aniket and Satyam? We should do some promotion. So guys, yeah, this is our website DCQNA. Make sure to visit it regularly. Okay. अब अपना वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग थोड़ा स्टॉप कर देते हैं उसको, कहाँ गया? Guys, I am trying to find that option of stopping the recording. Just a second, wait. Screen recording stop करो.